Well, today we're back with George and his home-built LS swap Porsche 911SC. Well, if it could go wrong, it does go wrong in this video today. We have an absolute disaster at the beginning, but somehow we slide into home base and everything kind of turns out okay-ish. I'm Scott from Outlaw Garage and we are back with the LS swap Porsche 911SC.
So rocker cover's off. So what are we doing here?
We'll basically install a new rocker covers because my old ones were quite warped and they leaked. I don't like leaking, and I know this is that's my curse. Things are leaking all the time and I can't stand it. But I hope I can fix it fairly easy. It's probably looks like I have overfilled it with the oil.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just like a liter or something, because everything is basically custom over here. Oil sump, and I didn't know the specs on it.
Yeah, okay.
So I just basically put some as much oil as it's supposed to be in the original LS, but this one is a little bit smaller than the original LS sump.
And it might have a little bit of different crankcase pressure as well, so I might need a little bit less.
You know,
is it breathing out or is it leaking out?
It's breathing, it's leaking, it does pretty much everything.
Oh, okay. So you got the full set?
Yeah, I've got the full set. Yeah. The last time when I forgot to put the what do you call this, dipstick?
Yeah.
And so it was just burping oil through the hole, and it wasn't an issue. Like, oh, okay, well that's the thing, so I can just plug it basically. And then it started to leak in between because the front cover you can't actually see it because of the exhaust and everything. It's a like two-piece thing, and unfortunately it leaks in between the halves. So like where upper half meets the other one, not the main bearing though, which is awesome.
So 12.8.
12. That's technically it's less than 12 because original manual says about 9 to 10.
Yeah. Okay.
So in these videos, sometimes things just don't go quite right. We thought we'd be starting her today.
However, changing the rocker covers. Got a little bolt in there. I think we might be able to see it just there that has snapped, which is bringing her to life today to a bit of an end. But we're going to stick around because we're going to solve this. We're not giving up today. I think we're going to get surrender. Yeah, I think we're going to get that out, and this video might just be about that little bolt down there. Figure out will it fit?
Yeah, if I can reach it, I'll try to use a smaller cup. I don't really need any quality over there.
Yeah. So the plan is just to weld the bolt nut on, then it will come out really easily. We'll fit that side. This side is already done and actually looking pretty smart, that side. But that bolt is currently the problem. This is the first attempt to pull the bolt out, and bearing in mind we only need one attempt.
We'll probably just one attempt, to be honest. Yeah, I can reach it much better.
Much better?
The only problem is it's so nasty and not clean, so it might just do the sparks. Watch your eyes.
Got it, you think? Smells like it.
It does.
So we're giving up on the welding. The welding didn't work.
Actually, it kind of did work.
Well, kind of. Well,
it snapped again.
Yeah, it snapped again.
It snapped again.
And our friend the drill has become our best friend because now we've drilled a massive hole all the way through it. And there we go. The bolt is out. A little bit of drilling, hammering, welding, but it is finally out. Look at this, we are back and alive.
Back in business.
Yep. The bolt is out, successfully done. It must have taken all of, it was like 30 seconds, honestly. It took no time at all. Second rocker cover going on. This one's all been torqued, so we've done that one. This one is now going on.
That's my favorite part of it. When you put it in, the seal comes off.
Right, let's put the camera down and get some bolts. So I'm putting injectors on.
It wouldn't be so interesting if something goes not wrong.
Yeah, it's so boring. I know.
It couldn't have gone any smoother today. I'm surprised we got that bolt out as easy as we did, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
That was easy.
Nothing was thrown across the road.
I was really close to it. We don't care about the environment. We care about power. More power, baby.
Where are we? Oil level? Yeah, it's well above.
Yeah.
It's well above full, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we need to drop
1 liter at least.
Yeah, at least drop a litre out.
Number
Number
one.
two.
Number one goes here, probably, number 2. And number 2 goes there. 3, number, well, I would say 4. 5, and that I would say 6.
You don't know if the stick matches the sump.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Ah.
Might not.
So what if we keep it? We'll drop some oil and then keep it at full,
Okay.
and then just see how it goes.
Yeah.
No, normally the best way I've done it, just take the sump plug off, let it drain out, and try not to get it all over you.
Just tell me when to stop. When to...
Is it pouring out now?
No. When to put back the plug.
So give it a count to 10, 15, and then put the plug back in, and then we'll check the dipstick. Yep, that'll do. Let's check the dipstick. What are we at?
Full.
Yeah, I'd leave it there.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Точно full.
Okay.
Now we've got both rocker covers on, and we've removed the bolt that got stuck. The injectors are on, they're all wired up. We checked the oil level. The oil level is now the right level. So I don't know if we're prepared to risk it, are we? Is there a pre-start check that you have to do with your ECU, or is it just...
No, I will need to hook up my laptop.
Yeah.
And adjust the injector settings, basically. I can't actually start it up because it's going to overfill it with fuel.
Okay.
Because I used to have 495 cc per minute.
Yeah.
And now it's 850.
Okay.
Which is more than, well, about twice more than, bigger than...
Just turning over now just to check it doesn't leak any fuel, any oil, any water, anything. Alright, ignition has been turned on and nothing is pouring out of her. So what we're checking here?
It'll, yeah.
Ah, look at that.
Get data from NU.
You don't normally get that on a 911.
Yeah, okay, that's supposed to be 850 cc's. I didn't have a chance to update it over here. Siemens Deca 11, yeah, 875, even bigger than 875. 875. We're good to go. Ready?
I don't know.
Ready?
I don't know.
Okay, let's go.
Stop!
Where is that coming from?
That was coming from here.
Okay.
Yeah, there. Definitely fuel was coming out of there. Alright, so we did find a bit of a fuel leak then. We're just going to start it again. Just... Oh, stop! That's a leak. Where did that... What the hell? Now we've identified it's not coming out of here, it's coming out of here, and it's got a little bit of play in that as well. I wonder... We're going to have to investigate that. Just checking the fuel pump now. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely out of... it's definitely out of here.
Yeah.
We definitely heard it run. So the problem is with the new injectors and the new cable mounts here, it needs these spacers here to be able to fit on, and it appears that the washer in there is the part that is leaking a little bit, and we're going to try and change the bracket so the bracket tightens it all up. Maybe. Might give that a go. It is just a simple O-ring, and that must mean it's got an enormous amount of pressure here. O-ring looks like it's fine, so it might just be the mount. So time to do some customization on the bracket. A vice, and I suspect a hammer. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Custom bracket finished.
Cylinder 2.
And I unplugged this one here
Okay.
because we couldn't get it in.
Yep. Well done.
There we go.
Thank you.
There we go.
Come on, mate.
So that's in a lot tighter now.
Yeah. Problem is, if I'll start building up pressure now,
Will it pop?
no, it's not gonna be enough. Because it just works for 2 seconds, basically. It's not enough to build up the pressure. But as soon as it's pressurized and I turn on the fuel pump, for those 2 seconds it builds even more pressure.
Yeah.
And then it starts to leak, or well, not to leak.
Yeah, okay. Stop!
Yeah.
We've got a zip tie bracket. We are all ready for attempt, I don't know, 4, 5, might be 6. Oh, look at that. The zip tie.
Ready?
Yeah. She's alive! Well done!
She's alive! Alive!
His neighbours must absolutely love it.
Fuel 40, that was adjusted. Oh, let's try again.
Do you want to try again?
Yes, yeah.
What did you do? Give it a little bit of pedal. Did you give it a little bit of pedal to
I
start
don't
it?
think so, no, she started by herself.
Yeah, okay.
Or probably just a tiny bit.